Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, and distinguished guests, thank you for joining me today. I am honored to have the opportunity to introduce you to an easy power plan that could change the world of energy and bring about a sustainable and clean energy future. The world we live in today faces a major challenge: increasing energy demand coupled with an alarming rate of climate change. Fossil fuels are running out, and we need to find a more sustainable and greener solution. The simple power plan we propose is a simple but powerful approach that includes a transition to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. These resources are inexhaustible, clean, and emit no greenhouse gases, making them a game changer in the fight against climate change. First, we need to invest in renewable energy infrastructure. Governments and private companies should work together to develop and support solar and wind farms, and make these technologies available and affordable for everyone. This can be achieved through government incentives, tax breaks, and subsidies for those who want to invest in renewable energy. Furthermore, we must phase out the use of fossil fuels in our daily lives. This can be achieved by switching to electric cars that run on renewable energy sources. Governments should also invest in infrastructure that supports electric public transport and reduces dependence on personal vehicles. And finally, we need to promote energy-efficient practices in homes and businesses. This can be achieved by implementing energy-saving technologies such as smart thermostats, LED lighting, and energy-saving appliances. In conclusion, an easy power plan is a practical and achievable solution that could change the energy world. By investing in renewable energy, phasing out fossil fuels, and promoting energy efficiency, we can create a sustainable and clean energy future that benefits us all. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you will join me in supporting this critical initiative.